I'm here in Seguin. This is the Guadalupe River. There's some dams. Can't go over there. We're gonna get our boat up and let's have some fun. And we're off. We're gonna head up. This goes about 2 miles up, and then I think I'll do the filming on the way back. So let's get up there. I don't know if you could see that, but it's like an aluminum boat, and it's wrapped around that branch of a tree. So I guess when it floods. Pretty interesting. I'm not sure how far I'm into this, but I'm 31 minutes into the trip. If I don't make it to the turnaround, I'm just gonna turn around in an hour so I can just take my time and come back. So for my gear this time, I got this. That's where my keys and wallet are. It's really comforting knowing they're there, so I don't have to worry about them. And behind me, I got my rolly cart there, and the bag this boat comes in. That's where my socks and shoes are. Because in the past, I wore my shoes in, and then when I get out, I step in the water. This trail here in Seguin, it actually starts at a park called Max Starcke Park, which is really hard to find. So if you want to come here, definitely write down the instructions like 5 times or 5 different ways to get here, because it doesn't seem to match the Google stuff. But so far it seems pretty nice. Let me get to the end and then I'll do a little more filming. Okay, back there, that's the buoy. That's the buoy that says danger, off limits, so you can't get to the first bridge. But at least I know, and it took me 45 minutes to get here. So I'm gonna paddle back. Let's start heading back. I think we're gonna be against the wind now. That right there, that little shoreline there, that is the only place where there's actually a shore, and I saw a deer there. Everything else is built up with houses. And there's also no trespassing sign, so I gotta turn around before I hit the shore. I'm going back against the wind, but it seems like I'm even going faster, but it's probably just an illusion because of the waves are hitting the front of the boat. I can't really paddle and record at the same time, so let's get past that curve. I am now floating back to the park, so technically I am going down current, but there doesn't really seem to be much of a current. Look at that little thing. I don't know what that is. Looks like some type of pool toy with the sunshade, and there's a squirrel trying to keep up with me. So yeah, basically you paddle up the river, but it's all dammed. There's 5 dams on this river over quite a few miles. Some of the dams have broke already, so that's why we had to turn around. Some of the dams, they basically are all 100 years old. So that's basically why you could say you're basically paddling in the danger zone. So this area is technically restricted, but it's permitted, so you're required to wear a life jacket in here. You actually have to have it on. Other parts are restricted, prohibited, and you can't get in the water at all on a boat. So let's go a little farther. Let's get around that bend and then we'll talk again. Oh, okay, I just turned this thing on. I thought it was recording earlier. Yeah, I think I'm about halfway back. Like I said, this is the Guadalupe River, but not where everybody talks about. That's like where people go tubing. That's near New Braunfels, Canyon Lake. This is down here. This is south of I-10. This is actually, I think it's better because I think over there it's more like a bunch of drunk people. Although maybe on weekends this place is different. So let me get a little closer to the end and then I'll chime in again. There's the park again, so we're getting close because from there it's not that much farther. I'll turn it on again when I can see the exit. Look at this, like the sun is coming out. It's kind of nice. I think maybe down there at the end, that might be the end, but I'm not sure. Or maybe it goes around a turn. Because like I said, we're already, the park is already on my side, but it's a golf course, so it's pretty long, pretty big. And I'm not really sure. And I don't really want this battery to die before I get there. That's why I'm kind of limiting my recording. But I kind of wanted to share this view because this is a pretty nice view. As you can see in the distance, we do not go under that bridge. Before that bridge, that's where the place to get out is. And you're actually not allowed to go any farther. You kind of see like a white, looks like a white sign or something in the water. I think there's a dam there, so you wouldn't want to go anyway. And I've been in the water for an hour and 20 minutes. The entry and exit is on our left side. We are going downriver right now. I still don't see it, but I know I didn't pass it. I think I see it. It's on the left. Yeah, I think it's a dam right there. That's why we just see a drop off. So I got to get close to shore. And if I stop recording, that's why, because I don't want to take no chances. And I think there's like a swimming ladder there to grab onto, which is my plan. Okay, we made it. Bring our line up. Okay, there's the boat. Oh, my paddle. Okay, I forgot about my paddle. Okay, now I gotta unload the boat. By the way, that was 1 hour and 31 minutes. Dry this out when I get home. I'm gonna dry it again when I get home, so don't think I'm packing it up wet. Just getting my gear out of here. we just go up the stairs. 1, 2. And then we walk back to the car. There's the golf course. So that's our little Guadalupe river paddling in the danger zone from Seguin, Texas, signing off.